hold on 1 second. I just need to go. What is happening? I am back. It is finally the weekend. It is Friday the 31st of August, and I am on my way to Bulshoek to go fish the Weekend Warriors Bass Classic. It's just a friendly competition with among a bunch of YouTubers and fishing guys in the community. So it's just a nice opportunity to camp, drink some beer, catch up with people you've never met before, all have one thing in common, which is fishing and bass fishing, and yeah, just the love of nature and that type of thing. So overall I'm about 10 k's out of Phuket I'll tell you that story another day. But yeah, cloudy conditions, about 18 degrees, quite chilly. Hope it's going to be a lacquer weekend, not a lot of rain. From a camping perspective, always happy when it rains. But yeah, meeting Emil and Chris at the Grill and Go in about 10 minutes, and then Darren is a few minutes behind me. But yeah, just super excited to be fishing this weekend with a bunch of like-minded awesome fishermen. What else can I tell you? Kickboat on the roof. Do a quick check. Yeah, it's all super stable. Transducer is still there. This car is packed to the brim, full of camping and fishing gear. But yeah, let's get back on the road, give Emil a call, and then go fish. How's it, bro? Yeah, that's the one. I'm about, I'm about 15 minutes behind you guys. Cool, see you just now. Cheers, bye. Get the inside scoop, bro. Stop trying. Yeah, how's it?
Yeah, it's pissing this rain down here.
Really?
But hey, life goes on.
Pissing down with rain. It's pissing down with rain.
But you said it's just overcast that side.
So 2 o'clock, probably be at 5.
Oh, that sucks.
Earliest that I can get on.